When someone hears the word school district, most tend to think of students and teachers in a classroom. However, there's much more that goes into managing, operating, and maintaining a school district of more than 2 million square feet of building space on 485 acres of land, nearly the size of Disneyland. As we continue to build and maintain intentional learning environments for our students, our facilities and maintenance teams are focused on developing master plans to outline how we prioritize projects and maintenance work. Current projects at Newport Harbor High School include the Home Arts Kiln, and plans are underway for a remodel of the aquatics facility. Our facilities team is also focused on building a new theater and student gathering area at Estancia High School and a student gathering area at Ensign Intermediate School, as well as many other projects district-wide. Our maintenance and operations team recently completed installation of digital marquees at all elementary schools and are in the process of upgrading elementary playgrounds with artificial turf surfacing. From maintaining clean, aesthetically pleasing schools and offices to building facilities that support purposeful learning and working environments, including high school theaters, athletic fields, Olympic pools, and collaborative learning spaces, to name a few, we truly have a dedicated team that works diligently and with pride to make our school district a desirable place to learn and work. While not specific to the board priority of developing maintenance and facility master plans, I also want to point out the equally important work of our transportation department that safely transports students, our information technology department that supports student learning, our nutrition services department that provide more than 1.7 million meals a year, and our budget, payroll, and purchasing departments who ensure that we remain fiscally responsible as we provide essential services to our employees and students.